Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got some requests to make this the most viral flower bag charm on TikTok. And as you can see here, this bag charm looks so pretty and spacious. I can even put two little stuff in it. So I believe that this will be useful to keep our small essentials. Then let's get started. For this project, I'm using acrylic yarn, a 3mm hook, a scissors, and a tapestry needle. First, we're going to make a slip knot, or you can also use the magic ring. I'm kinda have a little personal issues with the magic ring, that's why I choose this slip knot method. Next, we're going to make 4 chain, or if you use the magic ring, chain 3. We're going to count this chain 3 as 1 double crochet, then continue make 14 double crochet in the very first chain. So in the end, we will have 15 double crochet. And this is how it's supposed to look like. And now we're going to make slip stitch in the third chain. Then finish off with chain 1, cut off the yarn and fasten off. And if you have a little loop in the center, we have to pull tight the excess yarn in the behind, then grab the tapestry needle, and we will sew a little bit to close up this little loop. Next, for the second round, we are going to attach the new yarn color. Continue with chain 3, and we are going to count this chain 3 as 1 double crochet. Then make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. This is called double crochet increase, and we are going to repeat this pattern for 14 more times. So in the end, we will have 30 double crochet. I will continue make this double crochet increase, and we will meet at the end of the round. Now we have finished the second round, and we are going to make slip stitch in the third chain. Next, we will continue to the third round. First, we are going to make 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Continue with 1 double crochet increase. Then 1 triple crochet increase. Next, 1 double crochet increase. Then 1/2 double crochet, then slip stitch. So this is our first petal in the third round, and we're going to repeat this pattern for 4 more times. So in the end, we will have 5 petals. I will continue crocheting the rest of the petals and we will meet after I finish all the petals. So this is how it's supposed to look like, and now we will continue to do round 4. First we are going to make single crochet in the next stitch. Continue with 1/2 double crochet. Next we are going to make 4 double crochet increase. So we will have 8 double crochet in total. Then continue with 1/2 double crochet. Next make 1 single crochet and slip stitch. So this is how it's supposed to look like, and now we will repeat this pattern for 4 more times. I will continue repeating this pattern and then we will meet at the end of the round. So this is how the flower is supposed to look like after we finish the round 4. And now we will continue to the 5th round. First, we are going to attach the new yarn color in the last single crochet. Actually, this is an optional, you can also use the same color for this round. Now we will start the round 5. First, we are going to make single crochet in between. So we will insert the hook into the second round and then pull up the yarn. Next, grab the yarn and then pull out the 2 loops. So this is our single crochet in between, and now we are going to skip 1 stitch and then make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Continue with 8 single crochet increase. After that, make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then skip 1 stitch and make 1 single crochet in between. And this is how it's supposed to look like. We will have 18 regular single crochet in every petal. Now we will repeat this pattern for 4 more times and we will meet after I finish all the petals. I have finished the round 5 and now we will continue to make the little loop. First make slip stitch in the single crochet in between and then chain 6. After that, slip stitch into the next stitch. Finish off with chain 1, cut off the yarn and fasten off. We have finished the front side and now we have to make another one for the back side using the same pattern. The only difference is instead of making 6 chain, we are going to make 50 chain for the long strap. Now we already have the both sides and it's time to sew them together. So I'm going to connect all the both sides using tapestry needle, but you can also use another method such as slip stitch or single crochet. First we have to keep both of the round sides facing up each other like so. So we will sew in the both loop and start from the 5th single crochet increase. I will continue sewing until we reach the other side of the flower. Make sure you will stop sewing also in the 5th single crochet increase in the other side. Now we have finished our flower back charm, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Also, if you make this back charm, don't forget to tag me on my social media, or if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.